over 324,000 people, and the High Plains Library District stretches out over 4,000 square miles. In this video series, we'll take you around the county, north to south, east to west, to investigate Weld County's treasures. Today's topic, disc golf courses. There are several unique and challenging courses in Weld County. We'll visit 7 of them to get the lay of the land, and we hope you'll take the time to check them out as well. This is the Coal Creek Disc Golf Course in Erie. 18 holes with gorgeous views of the Front Range. Several elevation changes make this course especially fun. And an irrigation ditch winding through most of it presents quite a challenge, especially on windy days. We even found some amusing surprises along the way. We learned some local banana snowstorm lore. And here's a companion we found on the trail. Coal Creek is one of our favorites. We traveled to the town of Mead, to Ames Park, to try out the disc golf course. It's 9 holes, a good mixture of manicured and wild, with some parts still under construction. Multiple streams crisscross the course, and we ended up in the drink more than once. The course makes good use of the whole space in the park. A few holes were 400 to 500 feet. There are elements which I will call prairie rustic, and the wide open space is beautiful and serene. The Ames Park Disc Golf Course in Mead is a must-try. The University of Northern Colorado in Greeley boasts a beautiful 9-hole disc golf course. The campus is known for its diverse, mature trees, and it was a treat playing this course on a sunny spring day. The campus rec center has maps and scorecards, or you can access them online. Tee off east of the Nottingham Field parking lot, next to Butler Hancock Hall. Be sure to keep an eye open for vehicles, pedestrians, and bicycles crisscrossing the campus. The different elevations, varied lengths of the holes, interesting architecture, and the pulse of student life make this course a nice place for a leisurely game. But watch out for this row of disc-eating trees on the last hole. Heads up, there's a small fee to park on campus during the day. Come and try out the UNC Disc Golf Course. Here we are in pple Park in North Greeley, where there's a unique 6-hole disc golf course. It's beautifully kept with some fun water features, bridges, a pond, and a stream that bisects the east part of the course. The park is long and narrow, but the mature trees and contours of the land help keep discs from straying far. A couple of the tees are subjective, so take a picture of the course map to help you. Or just ask one of the other players. This is a well-loved park, and for good reason. pple Park is a gem of a disc golf course. The Outback Disc Golf Course is located just behind the Greeley Family Funplex, although it isn't affiliated with Greeley Culture Parks and Rec. You can get a map inside the Funplex. The first time through this course, you will need it. In fact, I recommend going through the course more than once, since on many holes, the target is hard to spot. Public service announcement, holes 5 and 6 have been moved to another dimension. A very challenging course, the Outback is wild and far-ranging. This was an afternoon of outwitting swamps, crossing streams, wading through high grass, crossing streams, searching through trees, and crossing streams. It was bound to happen eventually. It's a beautiful course, and I highly recommend it. Excellent footwear and a sense of adventure are required. Pioneer Park Disc Golf Course in Evans is a 9-hole course encircling a neighborhood park. It's a great place to bring your family, with a playground and soccer fields within view of the holes. There is a brush-filled ravine, a couple of nice long drives, and even a small bog. Well-kept trees provide interest and challenge on some of the approaches. If you're looking for an easygoing, family-friendly course, I recommend Pioneer Park. Welcome to the Central Park Disc Golf Course in Firestone. 18 holes on a wide, windswept plain. There are some newly planted trees, but for now it's unobstructed, perfect for practicing your drive. I went out on a glorious windy day to practice my throws across and against the force of the wind, kind of like learning to sail a boat. It's exhilarating out here, dramatic clouds, soaring hawks, and gorgeous mountain vistas. Don't have your own equipment? The Carbon Valley Regional Library has discs, maps, and scorecards you can check out, along with anything else you might need, and it's right next door to the course. When you return the discs, be sure to stop and chat with the friendly library staff and browse the awesome collection. The town of Firestone plans to redo this course in the next year or two, with new trees, hazards, and obstacles as it continues to improve the area. Try it now, then keep coming back to see how it develops. Have fun playing Weld County's great disc golf courses. To learn more about the sport, including rules, visit the Pro Disc Golf Association's website. I also recommend these review sites and this app, UDisc, for scorecards and maps. Thanks for watching this episode of Weld County Treasures, and don't forget to visit another treasure, your local High Plains Library.